unplug me. Just for a minute, I need some privacy. Headset off and stretch your neck out. Down the rocks to her head's safe house. Yeah, I remember it all. Bleeding, shut out my calls. The air was so dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never had. Her young ones were just as bad. She really tried. Moving a heart, feel like a lady. Fingers apart, both rugged waiting. I can't believe that you lied. Did you know where to find me? I get the feelings and I really thought it cost me. Drops in her goggles, art of love. Something's really wrong and it feels awful. And even though her body's back to normal, she once was a villain and it's hiding in her soul. I don't wanna know what she did. She's not who I am. At least that's what I thought. Now I'm second guessing. I can't put my gun down. My suit's getting heavy. Something wants to be released. Something dark inside me. Dark familiarity.